Since time immemorial, everywhere in the lands of Bulgaria, high in the mountains, deep in the rivers, in the meadows and in the forests, there has lived a legend about Mother Nature and her guardians. On one side, there are the wood nymphs, Samodivas in Bulgarian, mythical fairies who inhabit only the wild nature. They are young and beautiful spirits who are deeply connected to plants, running water, and especially ancient trees. They love and protect Mother Nature, and their strongest weapon is their beautiful long hair. But their songs and dances around the fire are sometimes deadly for anyone who dares to bother them. On the other side, there are the shepherds, strong men who protect Mother Nature. They not only take care of the sheep, but also take care of all animals and plants. Their meetings with Samodivas are inevitable, and sometimes they can be crucial. There is a story about one shepherd Marco and the beautiful Samodiva, Nita. Marco often goes to the wood alone or with his sheep. One day he notices a young, beautiful woman with long and fascinating hair. Marco remembers Nada from their childhood, when he rescued her from the bad people who wanted to cut her hair off and kill her by doing that. She is now dancing with Mother Nature, and they are singing beautiful song. He then realizes that she is a Samodiva. He has two choices. First choice, he is jumping out of the woods with his sharp sword and he scares the beautiful spirits. He is ruthless and cruel, and he wants to take the power from Nita. He can't realize that this will destroy the balance between Mother Nature and humans, and it is going to bring death and fear. Blinded by his desire, he swings fiercely and cuts off Nita's hair, killing her instantly. At this sight, Mother Nature falls into agony. And an eternal storm sets in for everyone. Second choice, Marco approaches slowly and carefully. He pays homage to the two powerful beings. He shows them that he is well-intentioned and feels only respect and admiration.
Cars to fix, bills to pay, rooms to clean, meals to make. What a life that we've designed. I'd do it a million times with you.
At that moment, everyone starts dancing together, and it's as if magic happens. Such a strong energy can only be felt when man and nature merge into one.
Just to stay next to you over and over and over again, over and over again. Grocery aisle hand in hand, little world but so grand. Picking up the bread and wine like we've done a million times.